Hey folks, well here it is, all made up. The last thing I just did was I just drilled that hole right there. And because it's kind of a dead hole, because you can't really see where, you can't get to that once this bracket's in place, so it's just a matter of finding out where it is in location to where it would be on this. And it all worked out good. So now the only thing I have left to do now is just clean it up. And yeah, put it all back together and it should work out good. I will get back to you when it's all in place. Okay, bye.